What's going on, guys? Hope you all are doing great. In this video I've got an amazing software that we're going to unpack. We're going to deconstruct and just go through it and really understand what it has to do. And you can see it, you know what it is. It's Getresponse. So Getresponse, when it comes to all-in-one platforms that do email marketing, that can also be website builders, can do some marketing automation like autoresponders, and also have an e-commerce market, they are number one when it comes to that. And yeah, if you're someone who is new into this online marketing, digital marketing space, I personally would always recommend Getresponse as the software that you should start with, because you really get everything to a certain level. So you know what, with all this talk, it's one thing talking about it, but let's really unpack it. We're going to actually create our free trial, and yeah, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. At the end of this video, you'll be able to really understand what to do next in your online marketing journey. You'll be able to actually do what you need to do with Getresponse. You'll be able to market, build landing pages, be able to create email marketing, create an autoresponder that acts whenever an action has been taken place. So yeah, you learn all these things in this video. So you know what, just sit down, close all the tabs on your computer, stay focused, guys. This is important, and if you do it well, it can change your life. So yeah, let's get started. So we click the sign up for free, and yeah, just so you know also that I have a link down below. You can sign up for Getresponse, and yeah, if you sign up for Getresponse, I have some bonuses, some secret bonuses that I'll send to you if you send me an email that you've signed up under my affiliate link. So make sure you do that and send me an email after you've done that. But what we'll do here is we'll create a name. I'm just gonna say Sam Codes, and we'll also put an email. I'll use the Sam Codes tutorial at gmail.com, and we'll create a password. Now we do create account. So you click on the create account. One really nice thing about Getresponse is that to start a free trial, you do not have to put any card details. It's really newbie friendly, which is amazing. And yeah, guys, now I just need to verify it. I'll do that, and then after that we'll see you on the dashboard. So make sure you follow the steps I just did right here, and I'll see you on the dashboard. Now, if you actually follow the steps right, you should have activated or verified your email address, and they will send you to this page that I am right now. And what we'll do is we'll just put some of the settings, like phone number. I have to blur. This is optional, so I'm not gonna put a phone number. I'll just put address Calle Pablo. That's my address, and I also put my zip code, city Alicante. I'll say state Alicante also. And then we click this, and we save and continue. Now you can see here that it's asking you two questions, which is number one, do you have any contacts? What it means by contacts is that do you already have an existing email list? Because if you do have an existing email list, you will be able to actually import it into Getresponse. But if you don't have one, all you need to do is just say not yet, and you start from scratch. So what I'll be doing is I'll say we do not have yet, and yeah, that's gonna be for most people who are starting out. The next thing, do you have a website? No, I don't have a website. Just take me to the dashboard so I can actually start doing everything and follow this tutorial, and yeah, Sam can actually show me what I need to do. So yeah, guys, you can see here that we have a 30-day free trial for premium services like Autoresponder, Take a Tour, Explore Without Tour. That's what we'll do, because that's what this tutorial is for. I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna take you on a tour right now on Getresponse. So yeah, you do not need theirs. First thing we'll do here is I'll just show you through the dashboard, because I think most of the time that's the most important part of any CRM or any SaaS software. So you can see here we have the tools, and with the tools here you see all the different services that you can use for Getresponse. you have the email marketing, we have the autoresponder. So email marketing is basically when you start creating your own list or having a list, you'll be able to create custom emails for that list. And you'll be able to create multiple emails that are sequenced that, okay, maybe I want to send this on the first day, then after 2 days I want to send the next one, and after 5 days I want to send the third one. So you'll be able to do that, which is amazing. Basically having a robot that does that for you. That's what Getresponse does for you. Another thing is we also have the autoresponder. So an autoresponder, I always think of it as like an action reaction kind of thing, in the sense that if maybe someone signs up for your newsletter, then the autoresponder is activated because someone's made an action, like gave you their email. So the next thing, the autoresponder will send them an email. Or maybe someone buys something from you, then the autoresponder will be activated and will actually send them an email with maybe the products or services, or maybe just a custom thank you. So depending on what you set it to, an autoresponder is always there to respond. It's an automatic responder to whatever action has happened on your website or landing page. Another cool thing that Getresponse have is they have a website builder, and it's really nice. You basically are able to create full websites with custom domains, or you can also use their own domains, and it's really amazing. Like, I have to say, for sure I'll create videos where I actually build a whole website with Getresponse, but for this tutorial we're just going through everything and all the services that this platform actually has to offer, and it's really going to show you how powerful this is. And you get it 30-day free trial. Make sure you try the free trial out. It really takes nothing out of you. You're not paying anything for 30 days, and you really get to actually use the software, start making campaigns. If you're into affiliate marketing, start actually pushing your affiliate products, creating landing pages for them. And since we're talking about landing page, this is where you create your landing page. You just click on this, and basically, for those who don't know what a landing page is, a landing page, I see it as a sales page, a sales website. So a landing page is really structured for action. So you can have a landing page that's dedicated just to get leads. You can have another landing page that is dedicated for sale and upsells or downsells. You can have a landing page that is for surveys. You can have a landing page that is for anything, basically. The one thing you should take from this when I say landing pages, a landing page has one thing that it wants its users to do when they get on that page, and it's very good then that way, because that's where you get higher conversion rate, because you can really optimize. You can set that landing page for that one action that you want the user to actually take when they get on your page. What you can also create is forms and pop-ups, which are extremely amazing. We will create forms and pop-ups in the next Getresponse video we'll be making, because this is an introduction, getting you started on your free trial. After that, all these sections will create projects on each and every service of Getresponse here. So we'll create something that has to do with an autoresponder. I'll show you how to do that. We'll do some email marketing. I'll show you how to make your contacts increase, different strategies for that. We'll also create landing pages, we'll create forms, and you have a report section here that is really showing you everything that's going on your platform, all the campaigns you're setting, how they're doing, how they're performing, and it's a really nice centralized way of seeing how everything is going on your page. After that, we have the e-commerce tools. So this is for the e-commerce people, the Shopify people, or you can do that with Getresponse also. So make sure you check this out, and as I said earlier, we'll be creating projects on this. I just want you to understand all the different services that you get for free for 30 days, which is mind-boggling. It's really amazing that they actually do it well. And I have to say, when I started online marketing, this really gave me that lever to really like push my products and understand the platform. And yeah, I ended up for sure joining the team, and yeah, I'm a premium subscriber for Getresponse because I had these 30 days to really test it out, and I have nothing but good things to say about this software. Okay, now we also have the automation, and we have webinars. So if you don't know what a webinar is basically a sales video, and what you do there is that you really take people through your journey. You have different points of actually teaching, but you also, at the end of every webinar, you pitch. So you pitch your product, and webinars are typically for products that are above $300 to 1,000, that range. If you're selling something that is priced around 300 to 1,000, the best way to sell it is through a webinar. You do not just want to sell it with a landing page alone, because it's not going to convert that way. So you need a webinar to actually make it convert, having a long video where you explain everything you're going to provide for that amount of money. So that's what a webinar is, and we will be creating a webinar so you see how everything goes on. We actually have a webinar script that is amazing. It converts really well, and it really is systematized, if you get what I mean, in the sense that every part of the video, everything you're saying, there is a reason to say it, because it's almost like you need to take the customer or anyone who's listening to your webinar through a journey where at the end of that journey they do feel some confidence to actually buy the product. So yeah, that's the webinar. We also have a conversion funnel here, and the conversion funnel is almost like it's really like a 3 or 4 step funnel, in the sense that it's starting with the number 1 landing page, the squeeze page, and then after that is someone takes an action, you maybe use your autoresponder with the conversion. It's basically a combination of a landing page, of an autoresponder with an email sequence. So you can see that this conversion funnel is really, it can also be a combination too with the webinar. So it's basically all this combined together, and then you get the conversion funnel where it's showing you different statistics, showing you different analytics of like, oh, this is how many people were in your top funnel, and this is how many people actually buy your product, and it's showing you the different analytics to show you, okay, is this converting well, isn't it, all that. So that's really cool with Getresponse. I have to say, as I said earlier, amazing people. Then they also have some paid ads where they help you out with paid advertisement and chat. So let's just click here. You can see the contacts here, and the contact, we don't have anything right here now, but yeah, you can see here when you start actually promoting your landing pages, you will start you start getting contacts for sure if you do it the right way. Just subscribe, like the video, guys. Comment down below if you have any questions, and yeah, follow along. I'll take you through the journey of Getresponse and show you how important and how great the software is. So after that, as I said earlier, Autoresponder, I just want you to see how it looks like, get a feel for it. You can see the Autoresponder. Click to open the email creator, create an Autoresponder. You click that, and then that's gonna happen. But we're not gonna create one now. We're just still filling it out and seeing what this whole place is all about. So we'll go back, and yeah, guys, you can see we also have the chat, and the chat is amazing. They actually do answer the reply fast, and they try their best to help you out with whatever questions you have. So you do get a nice chat, which is instant, or like at most you maybe wait for 2 minutes and then they reply you. So that's amazing. I always make sure to join a platform that I can get assistance when I really need it, especially when you're dealing with money and all that. And they also have a files and images where you save all your stored files. You have your images, your products, your courses, whatever thing you're selling on here, you save them on your images and file. What you can also see is they have integrations and APIs, and this is an amazing part also, because especially like being able to integrate with like ClickBank or Etsy or Facebook Pixels or even PayPal. This for me is really important, being able to integrate with PayPal and Stripe, especially when you're collecting payment. You can also integrate with Shopify. So you can see that every really main network that you will need for your online business, you're able to integrate with them. They also have integration with Zapier, which is extremely important too, because Zapier is a software that just makes everything way more easier. So we Getresponse, you get everything at a really low price, I have to say, and quite alright. Maybe not everything to the highest quality, but to a certain quality that is enough for a beginner. So if you're starting out, this is the number one place I would say, you know what, start with this, start the 30-day free trial. After that, continue paying. It's not that much, and you actually to some extent get an online business. So yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed everything in this video. The next part of these videos will be about us actually creating email marketing, creating an autoresponder building a website with Getresponse, creating landing pages, in that landing pages adding forms, adding pop-ups, and yeah, doing some automation with it. And for sure we will create a webinar. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below, and I'll remind you again, start your 30-day free trial with Getresponse. It takes really nothing from you, and you actually are able to start your online business today if you want to. So make sure you actually click the link below. And yeah guys, I'll see you all on the next one.